Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 18th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Tuesday out there so far. Hope everybody had a great Tuesday afternoon. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday evening as well. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And also stay safe and well out there also. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about your forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map for your location. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm report that came in for today so far. And also, we're going to take a look at the Tropical Storm Dawn advisory as well at the end of this broadcast. So I hope everybody sticks around through the entire video and watches the entire thing, so that way you get it, you will not miss any important detail about this forecast. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. And like I say, like these videos and share these videos. And well, let's go ahead and get that show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, we got quiet conditions over Quebec, Canada, down to Montreal, Toronto, Canada. Also into northern Pennsylvania through New York State to New Hampshire. Portion of Maine as well. Also back towards portion of Illinois, Indiana, Illinois, portion of Iowa, back over to South Dakota. Also back over toward Montana, portion of southern Canada, southwest Canada, around the Vancouver region as well. Excuse me. Also some let's see, dry conditions expected for Seattle, Washington, all the way down to San Francisco, Los Angeles. Also over toward portions of Nevada, back in the port of Arizona, down into the Gulf of California. Also over here in Mexico, back into Texas, toward Dallas and Houston area, and also into Arkansas, Oklahoma, all the way back over to southern Georgia, northern Florida, and the Florida Panhandle there as well. Also central and southern Mexico there also. Alright, we got scattered showers and storms over central and southern Florida. This includes the Florida Keys and also around the Miami area. Also, we got showers and storms over portion of California through Nevada, all the way up toward a portion of Wyoming, back down into portion of Arizona, New Mexico. Also into Kansas, also into Nebraska, all the way back over to Missouri, to portion of Illinois, Indiana, southern Ohio, back into Pennsylvania, back over to Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, down into the Carolinas and Georgia, including Atlanta metro area and northeastern Alabama. We got showers and storms over here near southern Canada, also back to over toward Montana, Wisconsin, down toward Chicago, Illinois as well, back into Minnesota and portion of North Dakota. Alrighty, and in the red slashed area here, pretty much over Tennessee and Kentucky, we got flash flooding and heavy rain possible in that region. Alright, let's take a look at your Thursday forecast. We still got quiet conditions stemming from Quebec, Canada, down toward portions of northern Maine, all the way back over towards southern and southwestern Canada. Also extending into Minnesota, western Michigan, northern Illinois, back into portion of Missouri, Iowa, also into Nebraska, South Dakota, through Idaho, back to Seattle, Washington, Oregon, through San Francisco, can't even talk, San Francisco to Los Angeles, all the way down to the Gulf of California, through Arizona, all the way down into the northern Mexico, central Mexico as well. Also Texas, over to Dallas and Houston area. Also into Arkansas, Louisiana, all the way over to southern Georgia and southern South Carolina as well. Alright, in the yellow slashed area, we're in portions of the Carolinas, some severe weather possible on your Thursday. Also again up here in portions of Ohio, back into Kentucky and also into Indiana. Also over here in portions of Kansas, back into Colorado and Oklahoma and North Texas as well. The red slashed area, some flash flooding possible from New York State all the way down to eastern Tennessee. Also over here in Oklahoma, Kansas, all the way back into portion of Nebraska and Colorado and southeastern Wyoming as well for your Thursday. Alright, as you can see here on the radar, we got widespread showers and storms extending from portion of southeast Canada through portion of Maine all the way down to portion of New York State. Also up the areas of the mid-Atlantic down to the southeastern United States as well. Also scattered activity over the Bahamas. Also a little bit more widespread showers and storms over Ohio, back down into western North Carolina, moving into upstate South Carolina with a few showers there as well. Got one of them MCS moving through Kentucky all the way down into Tennessee. Just continue to move to the southeast. You guys in northern Alabama, northern Georgia, maybe the western Carolinas may get in on this activity as well. We got another little system here extending in West Tennessee, back into Arkansas as well. Scattered activity over Missouri, also in the North and South Dakota. More widespread showers and storms over portions of southern Canada. Also, we got scattered activity to widespread showers extending from Wyoming through Nebraska all the way back into the New Mexico, Arizona, and back over toward Nevada as well in California. Scattered activity over northern Mexico. Puerto Rico, you look good right now. Currently look pretty dry at this time. Few scattered showers maybe around the island. The Hawaiian chain got a few around the southern side. Alaska got a few scattered showers inland and also coastal areas, and also Guam radar got a few scattered showers there as well. All right, let's take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map for your location across the nation. All right, here we go. We got a lot of air quality alerts, starting from Maine all the way down into West Virginia, and also down toward the Washington, D.C. area, Philadelphia region, Delaware area as well. Also more down here in the Carolinas as well, North and South Carolina, got more air quality alerts there. Also over here in portions of western Minnesota, also eastern portions of North Dakota there as well. We got some flood watches, flood advisory, flood warnings extending from Maine all the way down to, like I say, Connecticut, Boston area, also eastern New York State. We got flood advisory over Virginia. We got scattered severe thunderstorm warnings over West Virginia, back into Ohio. Also, we got a line of severe thunderstorm in Tennessee, back in Alabama. We got a severe thunderstorm watch there as well. From Kentucky down into Tennessee, down into northern Alabama, northeastern and northern portions of Mississippi. Flood watch is also in effect for portions of Tennessee, Kentucky, and also southern Illinois, and also southeast Missouri. We got flood warning, flood advisory portions of central Missouri. We got the heat advisory with southern California, much of Alabama, all of Mississippi, all of Louisiana, all of Arkansas, all of Oklahoma, all of most of Texas, southern portions of Kansas, southwestern Missouri. Also, again, over here in portions of southern Colorado, much of Arizona, eastern and northeastern portions of that's New Mexico, excuse me, northeastern and eastern portion of Arizona, much of New Mexico, excuse me, I got the state mixed up again, sorry about that. We got excessive heat watches in effect for central and southern portion of California. Also, excessive heat warnings also in effect for southern California, southern Nevada, western and southern portions of Arizona. Also, portions of New Mexico, southwestern Texas, central Texas, East Texas, southeast Texas, central and eastern Oklahoma, Arkansas, and northwestern portions of Mississippi. That's a mouthful to chew on there, I see. All right. We got scattered severe thunderstorm warnings. Also, special weather statement for strong thunderstorms over portions of Colorado, portions of Nebraska, and also into Wyoming there as well. River flood warning still in effect for Mississippi, Louisiana, also up into South Dakota, western Nevada there a little bit there also. Wind advisory there for portions of Montana. Red flag warning for northwestern Oregon. Southwestern Oregon got a air quality alert there as well. Okay, I think that takes care of the United States. Alaska still got a special weather statement there. Still got tropical storm warnings around the Hawaiian chain island, and also we still got tropical storm warnings to the south. Also, we got some, let's see, high wind warnings now in effect for portions of the Hawaiian chain island for the next few days. Excuse me. All right, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview. You can see here, there's that shower and thunderstorm activity extending in the northeast, where that slight risk of severe weather is in the northeast. Marginal risk there to the Virginia region. Marginal risk also from West Virginia all the way back to Missouri. Also another marginal risk in portion of Colorado all the way to North and South Dakota. Also another one over here in portion of Utah and southern Arizona. Elsewhere, just kind of just scattered thunderstorm in it. The convective outlook, you can see it a little better without the radar view. There's all that activity I showed talking about there. Current watches, portion of Kentucky, Tennessee, northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, portion of western Tennessee, and eastern portion of Arkansas. MDS discussion. This right here, possible watch over South and North Dakota. That's just talking about the current watch, and they may have to issue another watch for Northwest Georgia and maybe Eastern Tennessee later on down the road. So, just want to let everybody give you a heads up on that as well. All right, storm reports. Currently, we had 0 tornado reports, so that's pretty good. Wind report, we had 90, 0 was high. Hail reports, we had 22, 2 of them were large. Total storm reports, currently as of this recording, 112. 112. Excuse me. All right. Currently, the wind reports were currently over Maine, down in the portion of New Hampshire, also over here towards New York State, also down in Ohio, Kentucky, southern Indiana, western Tennessee, central Tennessee, southwestern portions of Kentucky, southern Illinois, northeastern Arkansas, central Missouri, over here in central, eastern, central, and northwestern Utah, and eastern portion of Nevada as well. The hail reports currently look like it's right along the South Dakota, Nebraska border. Also over here in portions of Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, and also up here portions of New Hampshire and Vermont regions as well. All right, fire weather looks a-okay, so we ain't got to worry about that. All right, and now take a look at the tropical storm Dawn advisory. Okay, current position 9 p.m. this evening out in the Atlantic Ocean, GMT time. By Sunday at 6 p.m. It should be a post-tropical cyclone over the north central tropical Atlantic. If anybody's plotting this storm at home, the coordinates is currently 34.9 north, longitude 39.2 west. Movement is to the south at 7 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds will still remain at 40 miles per hour, which currently keeps it at a tropical storm, which is 39 miles per hour to 73 miles per hour. Winds, anything less than 39 miles per hour is classified as tropical depression status. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you'd like to have more detail on Tropical Storm Dawn, check out my earlier video today, and you'll get a chance to see what I forecasted in Tropical Storm Dawn. So stick around if you'd like to find out more in that video. Alright, well anyway, have a great Tuesday evening. Stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing if you have not subscribed yet. And we'll catch you back in the next video.